doop doop boop doop doop. Come on, let's go to this and hit OK. And all right, what is going on, you beautiful people? Greetings and good day. Today I bring forth a new pack opening. It is not Pokemon, but instead it is Dragon Ball, the card game. I got 3 sleeved packs here. 1 from Power Absorbed and 2 from Wild Resurgence. Don't know anything about this card game. I saw these while I was perusing my local Walmart. Don't know how to open these or anything. Don't know what to expect. There's 292 cards in this set, apparently, according to this right here. My camera will focus, maybe? Nope. All right, so I'll just read it. 292 types and totals. 60 commons, normal or hollow version. 38 uncommons, normal or hollow. 30 rares, normal or hollow. 18 super rares. 15 special rares. 3 secret rares. All right. Let's see what we get with these. I'm interested to see what the artwork is like. So already pretty cool artwork. So we got Android 18 here. You got your ability move sets right here. Power level, special traits, era. Anyways, so that is that. Let's go ahead. Oh, there's a back to it as well. Double-sided. Very interesting, but very cool. All right, we have Krillin helping his family. So this is a leader card, apparently. This is leader front, leader back, unawakened. So there must be something within the game to where you can flip it over and it gets more powerful. And this is an extra card with a 1 there on the Dragon Ball radar. We have Cumber, Captive Fighter. Z Battle. And there's the back of the card. That looks really cool. Is that the same? Yep, alright. We have Super Saiyan God Son Goku. Very, very cool artwork. Majin Buu Heart of Evil. Super Saiyan Blue Son Goku Beyond Full Power. Super Saiyan 2 Kefla warming up. Majin Buu the Innocent. Android 18 gearing up for battle. Hellfighter 17 the Brainwasher. Ooh. Oh, okay. So I jumped the ball. So here is one of the holographics. You can't see it. Maybe you can see it on the camera, but the holographic pattern is very like dotted, pixelated, I guess is a way to say it, but it's like very fine pixels. So it kind of makes it to where like the holographic has a texture to it. That's really cool. I like that. And then here we have Android 18 and Krillin as super powered spouses. And as you can see, it is also have a very cool holographic swirl to it. All right. Let's see what is going to be in this pack. Actually, let's do this one, because we did Kid Buu for Power Absorbed, so we'll do Majin Buu, Wild Resurgence. Again, don't really know how to open these effectively. Ooh, Son Goku. All right. So this has different stats on it. So there's 292 types of cards, 60 commons, 38 uncommons, 30 rares, all of those being normal or holo. You have 18 super rares, 14 special rares, 3 secret rares, and 1 god rare. Dang it. I'm not really good at this at all. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Maybe, possibly. All right, here we go. So here's the awakened leader. So we flip that around. So we have Son Goku, Dragon Ball Z era art style there. And we flip that over. And there is him with the power pole. Very cool. This is from the Garlic Junior saga, apparently, as it is stated. We also have what appears to be a Z Awakened Cell, Tawa combo attack, Ginger Malevolent Henchman, Vegeta Waiting to See, Super Saiyan 3 Goku Warrior Savior, Universal Tuffleization Plan, Sorbet Pursuing Deepest Desires, Piccolo Plentiful Strength, Gingertown, and holographic Cell. So here's the holographic versus regular. And in the final slot, we have Ginger, two-sword technique. Okay. Next up is the Cell Pack of Wild Resurgence. Dadgummit. I gotta really figure out how to open these packs up. I look like a fool. Ooh, and we have Golden Frieza on the pack here. Right. Curious on what this God Rare card is. Not like I'm gonna pull it, but it would be interesting to see what it is. Sorry for the shaky camera. These packs are very difficult to open. All right, here we go. We have Baby Parasitic Premonition. We have Son Goku, full power and full blast. We have Ginger Malevolent Henchman, Super Saiyan Son Goku Waiting to See, Cell Namekian Absorption, Dr. Mew, Super Saiyan Vegeta Arrogance, Training with Whis, Krillin, Tawa Rebuilding the Demon Realm, Ginger Malevolent Henchman, and in the final slot, we'll tease it up a little bit. So we have a rare, so it's not, anything crazy awesome, because we've had, so this was a rare, this was uncommon, this was either a special or a super rare. So we have just a regular rare. It looks like it's non-holographic as well. Little sad on that. And it is Frieza Waiting to See. All right. So overall, the artwork is amazing. Like anything from Dragon Ball, like whether it's Dokkan Battle or Legends, the animes, whatever, like their artwork is always spectacular. The one thing that I do really like, I like their holographics. It's very subtle. It's a little dark in person. Like Pokemon holographics are always like bam, right in your face, unless it's a dark type Pokemon. But these are like very subtle. I mean, like you can obviously tell that they're holographic, but like they're not super bright and flashy. And they're, you know, a little bit textured. And then like this card here, the holographic on this has a really cool pattern. I can see like little clouds, and they kind of look like little lightning bolts. So overall, I enjoyed it. If you liked this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you want to see more videos like this with me opening Dragon Ball Super cards, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. If you want to see me open anything else, go ahead and leave me comments down in the comment section below. And until next time, bye!